Good morning students, standard 10. Today we will complete the effects, result, consequences of the Second World War. Now so far you have studied many consequences where it was taught to you what was the effect of Second World War on uh, Italy and Japan. Okay. Now we will be doing effect on victorious countries. See, both the side, whether Allied side or Axis side, both the sides suffered. Okay. Now what was the effect on the victorious countries, especially England and France? What happened to England and France? They became second-rate powerful countries. Then who were the first-rate powerful countries? America and Russia. They became the first-rate powerful. It means England and France lost their position. They were no more powerful. Who became powerful? America and Russia. So here you see that England became second-rate powerful country because of economic loss. Economically she was deprived. She lost her position due to economic loss, and France lost the position due to political instability. You have to mention in your answer when the question comes that what happened, what was the effect of Second World War on the victorious countries. So victorious countries, especially France and England, lost their position. They became second-rate powerful countries. England became second-rate powerful countries due to economic loss, and France became second-rate country. It's due to political instability. So here the keyword is economic loss and political instability. The next consequence, division of world into two blocks, two power blocks. The whole world now is divided into two power. After the Second World War, world was divided into two power blocks, America and Russia. Though these two countries fought from the same side, but after the Second World War, you see they became enemies. There was a rise of two power blocks. One was called America, one was called Russia, and they were different. See, American ideology was democratic capitalist. Okay, and Russian ideology was communist. So which are the two blocks, America and Russia? American bloc was democratic and capitalist, and Russia was communist. And both these countries, whether it is America or whether it is Russia, they were trying to influence the countries, the other countries. Okay, America tried to influence the other countries by providing economic aid. Economically, America was helping the other countries. By providing economic aid, America tried to influence the other countries. And Russia tried to influence the other countries by spreading the idea of communism. Okay, so both these countries, they were trying to spread their ideology. Next you have Cold War. That means after the Second World War, there was a rise of Cold War. What is this Cold War? Okay, there was no war. But war-like situation was always looming around. Okay, there was no war. But war-like situation was always looming around. It's due to the division of world into two power blocks, that is America and Russia. Okay, there was no war, but there was war-like situation always looming around. This is called Cold War. Now, due to Cold War between America and Russia, okay, due to Cold War, it led to many crises, and the first crisis was Berlin crisis. What is this Berlin crisis? You see, Berlin was divided into two parts. Okay, this was taught to you. So before two parts, Berlin was divided into four victorious countries. One part was given to America, one part was given to Russia, one part was given to Britain, one part was given to France. Now here America influenced Britain and France. So America, Britain, France, these three countries joined together, leaving Russia alone. Russia did not like. So East Berlin, East Germany was influenced by Russia. So what she did, she blocked Berlin. What is this Berlin blocking? She blocked Berlin, that means land and water communication was blocked between West Germany and West Berlin. Matlab, West Berlin people will not enter into East Berlin. Okay, the West German people will not enter into East German. This was a blockade, blocked. Okay, Russia blocked that West land communication, water communication. So the crisis took place in West Germany and West Berlin. Only to see their old parents and to visit during the time of festival, they were allowed to enter into East Berlin and East Germany. Only during these two conditions. What was the condition? During the festival and due to see their old parents. So this crisis, okay, or this blockade continued from June 1948 to May 11, 1949, almost a year. Okay, June 1948 to May 11, 1949, this continued. After that again reunification was done. So today's class you study what was the effect of Second World War on victorious countries. Here England and France became the second-rate second-rate countries, and economic loss took place. So Britain became second-rate powerful country, and France witnessed political instability. Division of world into two power blocks. You have to remember that America and Russia, two power blocks. Democratic capitalist was the American ideology and communist ideology was Russian. And America tried to influence by providing economic aid. Russia tried to influence by spreading the communist ideology. Then you have studied Cold War, no war between America and Russia directly. But there was always a war-like situation looming around. Okay. Then due to this only you see Berlin blockade took place when America, Britain, France joined all the Berlin and German places. Okay, leaving Russia alone. Russia did not like, and what Russia did, because she had influence in East Germany, East Berlin, she blocked Berlin. She blocked Berlin means West Berlin people were not allowed to have land and water communication with East Berlin or East Germany. And this crisis continued from June 1948 to May 11, 1949. And the last, most important consequence, formation of United Nations Organization. That was the last consequences of the Second World War, formation of United Nations Organization to maintain peace. Like League of Nations was formed, now we do not have League of Nations. Now what was formed? 24th October 1945, the new international organization was found to maintain peace was United Nations Organization. So these are the consequences you have studied. Now please learn all the keywords. Thank you.